Inside this massive factory, engineers build a giant Titan excavator from raw steel. Heavy steel plates used to build the giant Titan excavator. These massive steel parts will form the strong body of a giant Titan excavator. Precision cutting shapes the steel pieces needed for the giant Titan excavator. Accurate drilling prepares the parts for the giant Titan excavator frame. Each heavy beam will soon become part of a giant Titan excavator. Frame structure of the giant Titan excavator. Heavy bolts are tightened to strengthen the structural frame. Large steel body panels are welded into place. Massive boom sections are prepared for assembly. Boom structures are reinforced with heavy weld joints. Heavy steel joints are welded to secure the base structure. The massive chassis structure begins taking shape. The upper rotating platform is lifted into position. A giant rotation bearing is installed for smooth machine movement. Large industrial gears are fitted into the rotation system. The undercarriage frame is prepared for track installation. Heavy rollers are installed to support the track system. Track support frames are welded and reinforced. Massive steel track chains arrive for installation. The enormous tracks are fitted onto the undercarriage system. Hydraulic systems tighten the tracks for proper alignment. The massive diesel engine is delivered to the assembly line. The engine is positioned onto the chassis frame with precision. Fuel lines and cooling hoses are connected to the engine. Electrical wiring harnesses are installed throughout the engine compartment. The machine structure stands partially assembled after the first stage. Hydraulic pumps are positioned for the main boom and arm systems. Hydraulic lines are connected to cylinders and pumps. Main boom cylinders are secured to the upper frame. Secondary arm cylinders are mounted for precise movement. Hydraulic cylinder for bucket motion is installed. Hydraulic systems are tested for smooth boom extension. Arm movement is calibrated for precision control. Bucket motion is tested and inspected for accuracy.
Hydraulic oil, fuel, and cooling fluids are added.
The engine is started for the first operational test. The boom is extended and lowered to check full movement range.
All metal surfaces are cleaned for paint preparation.
Non-paint areas are masked and protected before coating. Primer coat is sprayed evenly across the entire machine. The primer coat is cured under heat lamps for durability. A smooth base coat is applied evenly over the machine to prepare for finishing layers. A bright base coat is applied evenly across the body. A second layer is applied to enhance the paint coverage and surface finish. A second layer enhances the vibrant finish. A clear protective coat is applied to seal the paint. The paint is cured under heat to achieve a durable, glossy finish. The paint is cured for a mirror-like finish, as are carefully inspected for smoothness and quality. All painted surfaces are inspected for perfection, installed after the painting process. All hydraulic hoses are carefully reconnected and secured for proper operation. And polished for a flawless finish. Machine alignment and hydraulic calibration are carefully verified for precise operation. The giant excavator is fully assembled and ready for interior and final assembly stages. The operator cabin is carefully mounted onto the machine frame for final assembly. Digital dashboards and control panels are fitted inside the cabin. And joystick controls are carefully installed and secured inside the cabin. Operator seat and joysticks are installed and secured.
Safety glass windows are fitted into the cabin frame.
Electrical wiring and sensors are connected inside the cabin.
All hydraulic control systems are calibrated precisely. The main boom is extended and lowered for final checks. The bucket is curled and rotated to ensure functionality. The stick arm is extended and retracted to verify precise movement and control. And tensioned for proper operation. All hydraulic, fuel, and coolant levels are carefully verified and topped off for safe operations are verified and adjusted. Covers, safety plates, and protective guards are carefully secured to the machine. Metallic parts are polished to perfection.
Metallic parts are polished to perfection.
All sensors and electronic systems are carefully tested and verified for proper operation. All hydraulic systems are operated through a full-range movement test to ensure smooth and synchronized performance. Engine is started for the final operational check.
Welcome to the cabin review. The pink seats are highly ergonomic. The dashboard has advanced screens with real-time data. The controls are intuitive and responsive.